Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and I'm the cooking nurse. And today we are going to be cooking an ox tongue, a cow tongue, beef tongue. Yeah, so I got this from the supermarket the other day. I've ever eaten tongue. When I was growing up, my grandmother used to rear a lot of goats and we would get to slaughter so much, so often. So you'd eat a lot of different parts of the animal. So we are going to be trying out this. One thing about the tongue is it's really tough. Yeah, the skin here is really, really tough. So you have to cook it down first, then peel off so that you're able to access the inside. That's what we are going to do. And the tongue is usually dirty. Fortunately for us, I had already actually tried to scrub this off camera, but I left some so that you see, because this is what the animal uses to eat all the time. So it's quite dirty. So let's wash it and put it in the pressure cooker for about 30 minutes, peel it off, and make something edible. If you haven't subscribed yet, this is the moment. As I go to wash the tongue, please subscribe, like this video, give it a comment, share. You never know who would actually appreciate most of the content that I post. We've been consistent for so long now, for like 3 months. Yeah, there's a lot you need to catch up with if you're trying to be a home cook. Yeah. Put the tongue into the pressure cooker. I'm going to add some onions and chinga, the salt. Usually we want to put in enough salt because we are seasoning the water, and I want to test the salt so that the water is actually seasoned. Good. See you in 30-45 minutes. So the tongue has been cooking for about 1 hour now, actually. So let's just look at it. Wow, the stock looks good. It's still hot, but as you can see, the skin now kind of moves. And that's what we are looking for. That is what we wanted. This is so satisfying. So you want to peel it and remove most of the outer skin and stay with the inner one, which is tender and beautiful. You know, they say one of the most delicious pieces of beef or parts on a cow is the tongue. You can make tacos out of this, you can make anything. I'm going to test this one. Yeah, you're right. Napna jetfumba. Nasi bada bobo.